Encaustic cement tiles are the perfect choice for villa projects, offering refined and luxurious beauty while creating a unique focal point for an upscale living space. With a variety of patterns and superior quality, encaustic cement tiles elevate the design and make your villa stand out and leave a lasting impression. The design of a kitchen requires many subtle combinations of materials and colors to create a cozy space for a family to get together. Encaustic cement tiles create an impressive and luxurious space for restaurant and hotel projects, bringing a warm and unique feel to customers. With diverse patterns and customizable colors, encaustic cement tiles enhance the aesthetic value and distinct style of each service space. Hexagonal tiles bring a unique and modern touch to restaurant spaces, creating an impressive look with their refined and creative design. Floral encaustic cement tiles bring a soft and elegant beauty to restaurants, creating a cozy and inviting space with a touch of classic aesthetics. Custom-designed encaustic cement tiles with unique patterns bring a refined and fully personalized design to the restaurant. Combining various hexagonal patterns for restaurant spaces adds diversity and creativity, resulting in a unique and stylish design. The sophisticated arrangement of hexagonal patterns not only creates an impressive focal point, but also makes the space lively and attractive to diners. Using breeze blocks as aesthetic partitions in restaurants not only effectively divides the space, but also creates an impressive design focal point. Combining encaustic cement tiles and ventilation blocks in matching colors for restaurants creates a cohesive and elegant space. This coordination not only enhances aesthetics but also provides excellent lighting and airflow, elevating the dining experience with a harmonious and stylish design. Light mint green encaustic cement tiles are the perfect choice for cafe projects, providing a fresh and serene atmosphere. The mint green tone creates a relaxing and pleasant feeling, helping to highlight key features and make the space warm and stylish. Classic encaustic cement tiles are the ideal choice for cafe spaces, offering refined and stylish beauty. With traditional patterns and warm colors, encaustic cement tiles create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, helping customers feel relaxed and comfortable. Encaustic cement tiles are the ideal choice for resorts and vacation properties, offering a refined and luxurious beauty. With their sophisticated design and superior quality, encaustic cement tiles not only create an ideal relaxing space, but also showcase a unique style and meticulous attention to detail. Combining various pattern designs in a patchwork style for hotel projects creates a vibrant and personalized space. This combination creates a diverse tapestry with rich patterns, highlighting each area and providing a cozy, unique feel to every room and common area. Flower-patterned encaustic cement tiles are an ideal choice for resorts, offering an elegant and charming beauty. The floral patterns evoke a close connection to nature, making the resort space feel fresher and more romantic, while enhancing the relaxation experience for guests. Hexagonal encaustic cement tiles are perfect for a nature-surrounded resort, providing a seamless blend with the surrounding landscape and creating an impressive and relaxing space. The resort harmoniously blends with nature, creating an ideal relaxing space, with encaustic cement tiles adding a touch of sophistication and closeness that perfectly integrates with the surrounding landscape to enhance the relaxation experience. Patterned encaustic cement tiles are an ideal choice for hotel lobbies and guest rooms, offering luxurious and sophisticated beauty. Using ventilation blocks in hotel projects not only enhances aesthetics, but also improves ventilation and natural light. With diverse and modern designs, ventilation tiles create a luxurious and comfortable space, enhancing the overall customer experience. A map of Saudi Arabia made from small hexagonal tiles by Viettiles is a unique and meaningful gift for friends from Saudi Arabia. With meticulous detail and superior quality, this gift not only shows appreciation but also provides a memorable keepsake of friendship and connection. Viettiles hopes to cooperate with you to provide products for highly aesthetic projects with construction quality that goes with time and together spread the protection of the Earth's green